In this video, we're going to plan our project using the assets that have been selected. So we can see that we've got our project here, and we can see that we've got these assets that have been made available for the project. So what we're going to do is, in the actual job itself, we can see that we've actually got in here a job ticket, and we've got the ability to attach a brief in here, so we can put all the information that's relevant for the job. We can also attach a brief physically into the project. So there's lots and lots of different ways to actually indicate what needs to happen for this project when it actually gets generated. I'm not going to go into too much detail on that front. What we're going to do now is take on the role of someone that's going to plan out that content. So we can see that we've got a couple of assets that have been made available for the project. And I'm going to go into InDesign now, and I'm running InDesign CC 2017. And what you'll notice is that I've actually got the ability to browse ES and select the assets and place them straight into InDesign. So what we can see here down the left hand side is all the projects that I've got permission to see, and we can see that we've got one here called POS example. And if I go into InDesign, we can see that exact same folder structure is mimicked here, and I can see POS example. So what this means is, rather than me having to go onto the front end and download these assets and store them locally on my computer, what I can actually do is access them directly via InDesign. So if I go into that assets folder, I can see those assets are there, and I can actually place those assets straight onto the page. So we can see now that I've actually physically placed that image out onto the page. We're working on the basis now that I've finished putting that content together, so perhaps I've had a look at the brief, whether that's in a job ticket or it's a physical brief that's been attached to that project. And now I'm ready to make my PDF file and actually share that with other people. So we can see on the right hand side here that we've got options to actually deliver content back into the platform. So I'm going to go up a level now into the project, and we see that we've got a final folder here, and I've got the ability to now actually upload and export my PDF file directly into that final folder. And we'll see now that that is now generating a preview to indicate that that PDF file has been delivered. So very, very straightforward for end users to be able to actually deliver content back into the system once they're finished with it for review.